Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to be opening a Sun and Moon booster pack. So, let's get started. And guys, I hope you have a happy Easter today. That would be very good. So, I hope you enjoy this Easter special today. So, yeah. So, we start off with a Charjabug, a Dragonair, Poison Barb, Surskit, Wingull, Poplio, Growlithe, Grubbin, Rotom Dex, Crabominal, and then a Water Energy. Pretty cool. Please leave a like down below if you enjoyed this video, and please like or please subscribe. I would enjoy that. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was the card I guess I like the most, and goodbye.